Thinking about buying the best electric ratchet wrench but not sure which one to pick? The market is full of options. Some offer high torque power, others focus on affordability, and some come with extra features like variable speed and longer battery life. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed customer reviews and ratings to bring you the top 5 best electric ratchet wrench, perfect for mechanics, garage owners, and DIY users. Don't skip ahead. Watch till the end to find out which one is the right fit for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. The AOBEN 3/8-inch cordless ratchet wrench kit is a versatile, high-performance tool designed for tight, narrow, and hard-to-reach spaces. With 40 Ft-lbs torque and 280 RPM speed, it makes tightening and loosening bolts quick and effortless. The kit includes 79 sockets, 3 extension bars, a 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch adapter, 2 lithium-ion batteries, and a charger, all neatly organized in a compact carry case for easy portability. Built-in LED lights and a battery-level indicator let you work confidently in dark corners. The forward-reverse switch with safety lock ensures precision and control. Perfect for auto repair, construction, and home projects, this ergonomic, durable tool is a must-have for any workshop. Item number 4. The ACDelco AR129P G12 Series 12-volt cordless 3/8-inch ratchet wrench kit is a lightweight, high-performance tool designed for fast and easy bolt removal. With 45 Ft-lbs torque and 170 RPM speed, it handles tightening and loosening tasks efficiently. Its 3/8-inch alloy steel head and built-in LED light make it ideal for tight, dark spaces. The ergonomic soft grip and slim body provide comfort, balance, and maximum control for long working hours. The kit includes 1 lithium-ion battery, fast charger, 8-piece socket set, and the ratchet wrench itself. Perfect for auto repair, construction, and home projects, this durable, reliable tool is a must-have for any workshop. Item number 3. The Apex Power 3/8-inch cordless ratchet wrench is a powerful, high-performance tool compatible with DEWALT 20-volt batteries. Delivering 88 Ft-lbs of torque and 0 to 400 RPM with variable speed trigger, it easily handles tough bolts, rusted parts, and automotive repairs. Its reinforced steel alloy head ensures strength and durability, while the forward-reverse switch and safety lock provide precision and control. Lightweight and compact at just 2.6 pounds, it reaches tight spaces effortlessly with a built-in LED light for dark areas. The kit includes 7 sockets, 3-inch extension, 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch adapter, and carrying bag, making it perfect for mechanics, contractors, and DIYers who want fast, reliable performance every time. Item number 2. The KIMO 20-volt cordless 3/8-inch ratchet wrench delivers 89 Ft-lbs of torque and 0-400 RPM with variable speed trigger, effortlessly handling rusted bolts and heavy-duty tasks. Its chrome vanadium steel head is reinforced for durability, impact resistance, and precision, while the recessed design reaches tight spaces easily. Lightweight and ergonomic with a 16-inch extended body, it reduces hand fatigue and provides maximum control. Equipped with built-in LED light and battery indicator, you can work confidently in dark areas. The kit includes 7 sockets, 1 1/4-inch adapter, 3-inch extension bar, and 2 2.0-hour batteries with fast charger. Perfect for auto repair, home DIY, and industrial use, this cordless ratchet ensures reliable, long-lasting performance. Item number 1. The Shield Pro 3/8-inch cordless electric ratchet wrench kit delivers 40 Ft-lbs of torque with variable speed control, making bolt tightening and removal fast and effortless. Its slim alloy aluminum head reaches tight spaces easily, while the rubber ergonomic handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip during long working hours. Equipped with 2 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries and a 1-hour fast charger, it minimizes downtime and maximizes productivity. The kit includes an extension bar and 1 1/4-inch adapter for versatile applications. With built-in heat stabilization and anti-slip design, this wrench maintains stable performance and long motor life. Perfect for automotive, home repair, and construction tasks, it's a durable, reliable tool for every workshop. Which of these electric ratchet wrench is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.